Good morning, students. Students, today we will learn about pronouns. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Let us see example. Seema is a girl. She is very beautiful. Here, Seema is noun and she is a pronoun. She is used in place of Seema. Or we can say, to avoid repetition of nouns, we use pronouns. Let us see the kinds of or types of pronouns. There are 6 kinds of pronouns. First, personal pronouns. Second, demonstrative pronouns. Third, interrogative pronouns. Fourth, reflexive pronouns. Fifth, emphatic pronouns. And sixth is possessive pronouns. Today we will discuss only 3 kinds of pronouns. The remaining 3 kinds will be discussed in next lecture. Let us see the first one, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns which replace the name of people, animals and things are called personal pronouns. There are 3 kinds of personal pronouns. First person pronouns, second person and third person. Let us see here. Singular, plural, first person pronoun. First person is the person speaking. Second person is the person spoken to, and third person is the person or things spoken about. Let us see here. First person pronouns for singular, I and me, means I, me, both are the singular pronoun, singular first person pronouns. We, us, these are the plural first person pronouns. You, yours, and here also you, yours, these both are the second person pronouns. He, she, it, him, her, these are the third person pronouns, and they, them are the plural pronouns for third persons. Pronouns I, he, she, they, etc. are used as subject before verbs. These pronouns are used as subject. Let us see the example. She loves mangoes. Here she is used as subject. Pronouns me, her, him, them, etc. are used as objects after verbs. Look at here. I gave her a gift. Here her is used after verb and here she is used before verb. If pronoun is used before verb, then it is subject, and if pronoun is used after verb, then it is object. Here her is used as object. If the words such as his, her followed by a noun, then they act as possessive adjectives, not as pronoun. Look at the examples. First, this is his pen. In first sentence, pen. This is noun and his is followed by pen. So it is possessive adjective. In second sentence, this pen is his. Here, his is used as pronoun. In first sentence, his is followed by a noun, so it is possessive adjective. And in second sentence, pen means noun is before his, so it is a pronoun. demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns that point out people or things are known as demonstrative pronouns, such as this, that, these and those. These are the demonstrative pronouns. This and that are singular pronouns and these and those are plural pronouns. This and these are used for the people or things that are near the speaker, and that and those are used for the people or things that are far away from the speaker. For example, this is a whiteboard. This is near the speaker, and that is a pen. This is far away from the speaker. So for the things that are near the speaker, we use this or these, and for the things that are far away from the speaker, we use that and those. This, that, these and those are used as demonstrative adjectives also. Let us see the difference between both demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative pronouns always go with verbs and demonstrative adjectives go with nouns. Look at the first example. This is my house. This is verb and this. So it is a demonstrative pronoun. Those are. Those is used here as demonstrative pronoun. Look at this side. This house is mine. Here there is noun. If there is noun after this, that, those and these, then it is used as demonstrative adjective. And those pens are his. Here pens noun. So those here is demonstrative adjective. So I think it is clear. If there is verb after this, that, those, these, then it is used as demonstrative pronouns, and if there is noun after these words, then it is used as demonstrative adjectives. Students, the third one is interrogative pronouns. This pronoun is used to ask a question. Who, whom, what, which. These are interrogative pronouns. For example, who are you? Here, who, which is your pen, and in this sentence, which. Who and which both are interrogative pronouns, and these are used to ask questions. But these words means who, whom, what, which. These are used as interrogative adjectives also. Let us see the difference between both. Which is your book? Which book is yours? Here, which is used as pronoun, and here, which is used as adjective. Whose is that dog? Whose dog is that? And in third sentence, what is that shape? What shape is that? Here, whose and what both are used as pronouns, and here, whose and what, these are used as adjectives. Remember one thing, pronouns go with verbs and adjectives go with nouns. Here there are nouns after which, whose and what. Book is noun, dog is noun, and sheep is also noun. So these are adjectives, and here there are verbs after these words. So these are used as interrogative pronouns. Hope you got the topic.